Hi guys, order shawarma machine with me from China pinduoduo for a customer. So a customer contacted me on WhatsApp. Let me show you the chat. So the customer contacted me that he wants to place order for shawarma machine, and I checked because things are more cheaper on pinduoduo. So I checked on pinduoduo. I sent all these pictures with prices for him to him, and he selected this particular one, and he paid for it. So let me show you when he made payment. So he paid, I have sent the money for 142,400 naira. So guys, right now let's go to the pinduoduo app and place the order together. Okay guys, so this is the shawarma machine that he paid for. So let's play the video so you can see it. So this is how the machine works for grilling the chicken for the shawarma. Can you see that? So yummy. I feel like having some, like licking my screen right now. Okay, so I want to place order for it. I'm buying the hot one. You can see there's fire on this first one, and that's exactly the one he paid for. Mind you, it comes in different prices. Okay, different prices and different specification. This one is more expensive, 1,463 yuan, and this is the picture. This one is bigger. This one is very big, so you can take two at once. So right now, let's make the payment. So guys, I've made the payment. You can see that it has moved to the moving vehicle. So I went ahead to chat with the supplier. So I chatted with the supplier before. I asked the supplier about the weight of the shawarma machine. So he told me the weight is 33 kg. So he says this place, what he's trying to say is that it's going to arrive in 3 days. So I already made my inquiry before I placed the order. So guys, this is just to let you know that you can order anything by yourself from China if you learn this importation very well. If you follow person like me, we no road. Okay. So guys, I just got a message from Skyjet that my goods have been shipped. So this is it. This is the receipt. And when I saw 0.35 cbn, man, I shouted. I never knew that the shawarma machine will be up to 0.35 cbn. So right now, let's go to the website to check the amount in naira. Okay, guys, so it has departed from international airports. Okay, so this is it. It's being loaded on vessel and departure. That is, it has left China as we speak on 16th. That's today. So I want to check the amount. I have a lot of packages that have left China. Can you see? I have about 4 goods that have left China. So this is the recent one, right? So I want to check the amount to pay. 120,000 naira. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So let's check how much they are even selling it in Nigeria. so they can compare and contrast. Wow. So this is what I'm saying. Okay. Wow. Look at this one. They are selling it for 448,000 naira. Wow. And it was lashed from 550,000. I never knew that this shawarma machine is this expensive. Look at this one. 498,000 naira. Slashed from 600,000. Wow, wow, wow. Can you see that it is fair? My customer ordered it for 140 something thousand, and the shipping fee is 120. That is 260 something in total compared to 400 plus. Can you see the profits? 200,000 plus. So guys, if you want to order anything from China or you want this shawarma machine, send me a DM on Instagram. I'm gonna help you to do that. Thank you. Bye bye.